Students, in this video, I am going to discuss model 2B, which is the EOQ model with uniform rate of demand, infinite rate of production, scheduling time is variable. Here, scheduling time is variable and having shortages which are to be fulfilled. So this is a shortage model. Scheduling time is variable and infinite rate of production. Fine. Now the difference between this 2B model and 2A model is only one. In 2A model, scheduling time was fixed. However, here scheduling time is variable. Only one difference, nothing else. So this model and 2A model both are same except scheduling time is variable here. In that model, scheduling time was fixed. Only one difference. Fine. So that's why we will use the same cost function which we have used in 2A model. What was the 2A model? 2A model was this. This was the 2A model, fixed time model. Here time is variable. Fine. So we have same curve. This is the curve of 1A model. So we will use same curve here. What was the cost function? The cost function was this. R by Q, C1 by 2R Z square plus C2 this. So this was the holding cost, 1 by 2 C1 Z square. This was the shortage cost, C2 2 by 2R Q minus Z whole square, and this is the setup cost. Take their sum. So we will get the cost, and to find out the average cost, just divide by T. So this is divide by T. So we get this cost function. So we will use same function here. So here these are the assumptions, almost same assumption. Demand is uniform at a rate of R units per unit time. Production rate is infinite, that is production is instantaneous. Lead time is 0. Scheduling time is now variable. Q is RT. Now since you can see that T is now variable quantity, so that's why Q is a variable quantity. However, in the previous cost function here, since T is fixed, because if T is fixed, R is fixed, so Q will be fixed. That's why Q will be fixed, and that's why we have only a function of Z only. Variable quantity is only Z. However, in this case now Q is a variable quantity, which is Q is equal to RT. So you can say that cost is a function of Z or Q or Z or T. या तो Z और Q का function ले सकते हैं या Z और T का. Fine. So this is the difference. So here Z is the order level to which the inventory is raised. C1 is the holding cost per unit time. C2 is the shortage cost per unit time. C3 is the setup cost per run, and shortages are allowed and backlogged. So this is the model. Fine. Now here this holding cost is C1 by 2R into Z square. This is as it is same which is used in 2A model. Similarly, the shortage cost per production run, which is C by 2 Q minus Z whole square by C2 by 2R. Q is replaced by RT minus Z square, and this is as it is same shortage cost, which we have used in model number 2A. Fine. Setup cost is this. So take their sum. So we have this total cost. Now divide by T. So we will get the average cost. So divide by T. So T and T here. So now here this is a function, cost is a function of Z as well as T. So it's a 2 variable problem. So 2 variable की problem है. So for maxima and minima, just take the partial derivative. For minimum cost function, take the partial derivative del C by del Z is equal to 0, del C by del T by 0. So we after partially differentiating this function, we get this. With respect to Z, we get this equal to 0, and for del C by del T, we get this equation. So we get two equations. So from this equation, we get Z is equal to 2 C2 RT divided by C1 plus C2. Fine. And now substitute this Z in equation number 3 here, and get t. So what is t? T is this. So after solving this we get t, and now put z and t here in the second derivative of cost. So here we are having two variables. So first we have to find out the second derivative of c with respect to z. So which is this. Similarly find out the second derivative of c with respect to t. So we get this expression, and then mix. So partially differentiate c with respect to z as well as t. Mixture. Mix wala derivative. So we get this. And now we have a condition for maxima minima, that del 2c by del t2 into del 2c by del z2 minus del 2c by del z del t whole square. After solving this we get this value. Now put z and t here. So for the choice of t, this choice of t, if you put here, then the value is positive. Then the value of second derivative of c with respect to z, this is positive. Second, this del 2c by del t2 positive, and this is also positive. And hence by the condition c is minimum for this. क्योंकि तीनों पॉजिटिव है तो कंडीशन यही है कि ये मिनिमम होगा. सो टी स्टार, दैट मीन्स दिस वैल्यू इज द ऑप्टिमम वैल्यू. So T star is given by this. Once you are getting T star, you can find out Q star. Q star is RT star. So this will be this value. Fine. And now put this value in the cost function. This is the cost function. Put Z is equal to C2 RT by C1 plus C2. Fine. So what you will get? Cost in terms of T is this. Single variable problem. So ठीक देख सकते हैं, सेम एज मॉडल नंबर 2A. बिल्कुल वही है जो 2A से आता है. फाइन. एंड दिस विल बी द, एंड फाइनली पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ t. बाद में इसमें t की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लेंगे हम, ये t इक्वल टू दिस. सो व्हाट वी गेट? c मिनिमम इज दिस. c मिनिमम ये है. z स्टार इज दिस. t स्टार की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे तो c2q स्टार डिवाइडेड बाय c1 प्लस c2, ये हमें मिल जाएगा. ठीक. नाउ यहां आप देख सकते हैं मैक्सिमम बैक ऑर्डर क्वांटिटी. मैक्सिमम बैक ऑर्डर क्वांटिटी इज अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस 1A मॉडल 2A मॉडल. दिस इज द मैक्सिमम बैक. कितना बैकलॉग हो सकता है? Q माइनस Z. तो ऑप्टिमम में कितना होगा? Q स्टार माइनस Z स्टार. दिस इज डिनोटेड बाय S स्टार. मैक्सिमम कितनी शॉर्टेज हो सकती है? Q स्टार माइनस Z स्टार. Q स्टार पता है, Z स्टार पता है. So finally after solving this we get C1 Q star divided by C1 plus C2. Fine. Now there is a note. अगर shortages are allowed नहीं है तो obviously C2 will be infinite, and when you substitute C2 here as infinite, then what you will get? You will get here this, then C1 plus C2. This can be written as C1 by C2 plus C1. क्योंकि C2 इनफाइनाइट की तरफ टेंड करेगा तो इसकी वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगी. सो C मिनिमम इज इक्वल्स टू C मिनिमम. यहाँ से दिस कैन बी रिटन एज C2 से डिवाइड किया, सो 2C1 C3 R डिवाइडेड बाय C1 प्लस C2 बाय C2. सो दिस विल बी 1. सो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2C1 C3 R. फाइन. एंड सिमिलरली Q स्टार विल बी 2R C3 बाय C1. दिस इज ऑल्सो 1. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट मॉडल एज 1A. इसका मतलब शॉर्टेजेस आर नॉट अलाउड. अगर शॉर्टेज अलाउड नहीं है तो ये एग्जैक्टली 1A मॉडल बनेगा. फाइन. सो दिस इज द मॉडल नंबर 2B. फाइन. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस द नेक्स्ट मॉडल इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. मॉडल नंबर 2C. वी विल डिस्कस दिस मॉडल इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.